we take this off?
Pull it open and then we can just tear it off.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do that. Whoa. There's a ton of stuff in that.
What's this?
I don't know. Little keychain thing?
Yeah, it's a keychain.
Okay, some stickers.
Yep.
Lemon heads. Very sweet.
Lemon heads. Lemon heads. Lemon heads. Lemon heads.
Chewy lemon heads.
Chewy lemon heads.
Wow. You should have just done that one egg.
Lemon heads.
That's all we needed.
Oh my gosh. That's a lot. A bracelet. A bracelet.
That was a necklace.
Which one? This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one is a necklace?
Yeah.
No.
Kind of tight.
It's sort of like a collar.
Yeah. And you eat it.
Yeah. Ooh, look at all my pretty jewelry. So much jewelry. Jelly beans. Ooh, a cupcake one. Yay! Nom, 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 nom. Daddy, take a picture of this.
He's got it. You don't need the wrapper. Yeah.
Just take a picture.
I got it.
He is in his phone. All right, open the rest. Let's see. Okay, so the Starburst are mine. So put those in my pile. Those
No!
are
Come on! And the jewelry is especially mine.
Peep.
This one is gonna have a peep too, I just know it. See, I was right.
Mhm. Whoa.
Oh.
Skittles, those are mine.
No, those are mine.
Hey. What else we got? It's a lot of candy. I think you should stop opening them now. That's too much candy.
Mm. You want me?
All right, more Starburst. For me.
For me. You can have Skittle. Now I'll just give you the brown one. I have a lot.
Purple.
Brown.
Thank you.
No, it's brown. Brown.
Peeps.
Two candies?
Nope. More than
Two kinds
two.
of candies.
Jelly beans too. One of them's on the floor, I guess. Bill. There it is. Whoops. You try to open it?
Yeah.
This one's really hard to open. How did I do it last night?
You didn't. I did.
Well, I did after a while. I don't think we should use this one next year.
No, you shouldn't.
Will you work on the other ones and I'll try to open
Okay.
this? Or is that it?
No, those more.
What's in there?
Hey, someone stole my idea.
Oh no. You keep dropping
Oh.
jelly beans everywhere. Oh jeez. Okay. Got it.
so I did need some quarters.
Mm-hmm. Good. What else?
I got $2.
Yeah, good job. Careful if it's jelly beans. Oh,
Oh my gosh. Okay, need that. People keep stealing my idea.
you told us to do
Too many peeps.
that. You love peeps. What's in that one?
Jelly beans.
I know. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Was it the best Easter ever?
Yes.
This is the last Easter before your sister's born, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have anything you want to say to your sister?
What?
You have anything you want to say to your sister?
No.
No. Don't you think she'd like to watch this show, knowing that she's inside Mom's belly?